So this is a boat that was very oxidized, and we're gonna go ahead and take care of it. First, we're gonna go ahead and put some compound on the surface. We're using 3M Perfect-It with the white wool pad, and we're gonna go to town. So what I'm doing here, I'm pretty much spreading out the compound throughout the surface before I buff it at a slow speed, just so we don't get any sling all over the boat. Once it's all sprayed out, then we go ahead and bump up the RPMs to 3,500 until we see the result we're looking for. And you guys just see me doing that right now. And as easy as that, boom, we're done. And check out that gloss. It's a very deep black gloss that you see on the gel coat there. That's what we're looking for. And this is the result we're getting. You can see here the before, and this is the after. And so I already did the flat panels on the boat. So now I'm going back to all my little edges and touching those up again, just to make sure I get deep in the gel coat so we don't get all these edges oxidizing sooner than the rest of the gel coat. So this is what I'm doing here, hitting all those edges at a very slow RPM, the slowest it goes, and you just rock that buffer back and forth to make sure you're cross-cutting and getting every single edge. And then here it seems like I'm dancing, but it's just the arm movement that you gotta develop to get it right. So this is the result we're looking for, a super glossy black. It was in very bad shape and now it looks really good. So if you guys need any help with your boats, give us a call, or if you need any tips, give me a call and I'm pretty sure I can help you out. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.